Hey everybody, I'm Chris Valley.
And I'm Marcus Newdorfer.
And on this episode of On the House, we are making a
smoked old fashioned.
Making a smoked old fashioned today, so we're gonna see if we can get the smoke to do right. So the first thing we're gonna do is get our torch going, and we're gonna smoke some little wood chips. Are they cedar?
Hickory.
Hickory. We're gonna smoke some hickory wood chips. We're gonna try to catch this smoke in the glass. It's starting to smoke a little. So once we've got some smoke in our glass, oh, that one's doing real good. Oh, this one's doing good too. Okay, we're good. So now we're gonna take these and we're gonna quickly flip them over, get some ice going in there. Ice for me. You want a lot of ice or a little ice?
That's fine.
Good. All right, we're gonna add some, whatever your favorite, what do we got? Whiskey, bourbon whiskey. We got some Maker's Mark today. Get your desired level. Then we're gonna add a little bit of bitters to that. I'll take that from you. Bitters is really strong, so you just wanna do a little dash, 3 little dashes in each one. And then we've got some
lemon, orange zest.
Yeah, pre-cut lemon zest, orange zest. Put that on top for a little garnish. And we're done.
We're done.
All right, cheers. Good job, Marcus. All right, thanks for watching this episode of On the House. We're gonna have more of these coming back, so be sure to tune in to see more of these on all of our social platforms.
Smoke, and then you're gonna drink. Dude, y'all.